I strongly advise you not to close this video, because what follows will completely change your view of security technology. Did you know? In hospitals, factories, and even train stations, tens of thousands of video streams must be decoded and displayed every day. The ACTi decoders are the secret weapon that lets you enjoy top specs at the lowest cost, even in the harshest environments. First, let's talk about HDMI screens up to 4K. In hospital monitoring centers, lobby displays, or train station platforms, ACTi decoders output ultra-clear images so guards can easily capture every detail. Even in crowded environments, sharp visuals reduce misjudgments and improve overall efficiency. Next, video streams up to 4K. In factories, hospital corridors, or ticket halls, details are often the key to risk prevention. ACTi decoders provide crystal-clear video that allows managers to instantly identify employees, visitors, or strangers. High resolution minimizes errors and keeps operations secure. Then, extended operating temperature from -34 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. In boiler areas, cold storage, or outdoor train platforms, harsh environments usually disrupt equipment. ACTi decoders continue stable operation under extreme heat or cold, ensuring uninterrupted monitoring, reducing maintenance costs, and guaranteeing 24/7 reliability. Also, digital input and output integration allows seamless connection with alarms and access control. In hospital surgery entrances, factory gates, or staff-only train station doors, once triggered, the decoder instantly displays live video, enabling security teams to act immediately without extra steps. Two-way audio creates a real-time bridge between the field and the control center. At hospital entrances, guards can give direct instructions. In factories, workers can report issues quickly, and at stations, staff can assist passengers instantly. This raises both efficiency and service levels. Next, full frame rate playback. On busy train platforms, emergency entrances, or loading zones, delays can cause critical errors. ACTi decoders deliver smooth, lag-free playback that captures every rapid movement. Each frame is reliable evidence, essential for professional surveillance. Finally, HTTPS secure transmission. Whether it's medical images, factory data, or passenger video, ACTi decoders encrypt all transmissions. This prevents leaks or tampering, protecting privacy and compliance while safeguarding corporate reputation. Why choose ACTi decoders? For system integrators, it outperforms Axis while saving 30% to 50% of costs. It's not just buying equipment, it's investing in a smarter, more efficient, and lower-risk security solution. Act now. Stop overspending on overpriced products with the same specs. Let ACTi decoders become the ultimate guardian of your hospitals, factories, and train stations. Click the link below to learn more and experience this high-spec, cost-saving revolution in security.